My name is Robert. This is my wife, Melanie. We are the Fryes. We live here in Kingwood. Our house, more than I think anybody's, if you were to look at it now, you would just look at geographically where it is. You wouldn't think that our house would have flooded. In fact, the house to the left and the house across the street, they didn't flood. We were the last house on the street that did flood.
When we finally knew there was water in the house, he went to check, and I heard him, because our house is on multiple levels, so he stepped down into the kitchen. I heard splash.
Our garage got about 5.5 feet. Our kitchen is elevated from that, so we got about 3.5 feet in the kitchen, and then you step up into the living room, and then you step up an additional, I think, 18 inches into the master bedroom. So
all levels flooded on the first floor.
The whole mantra of you get what you pay for, I think that's something that you sort of have to experience it a little bit before it sinks in. But the sense of trust that I had that they were going to take care of us, right? We flooded on a Tuesday. We weren't able to get back into our house until Thursday night, so we started the demo on a Friday. And that Friday, they were there. They were
giving us
guidance on what we needed to do. It was never a high pressure situation. It was always, these are your choices. If we wanted guidance, we just had to ask for it, and they would give what they thought, right? And I would say 90% of the time they were right.
Oh yeah. We always felt like a priority. Well, even though we know, there are houses that even finish before ours with the LaRocque Group, but we always felt like a high priority. I can say that this project took 6 months, and everything was perfect every step of the way. Our punch list was so small, it felt ridiculous that we had to even make one and point out things, and it really was super, super picky stuff, that I could have lived with, honestly.
The preparation that was put into getting to the final product was incredible. It's absolutely incredible. The craftsmanship is...
the attention to detail was amazing.
I can't say enough about it, right?